Welcome, Mr. Jagadeesh Adasada garu to the video interview today. We are during this time and crisis of COVID, we are discussing about how the real estate is going to prospect in the upcoming months, and then how the future of real estate is looking in especially in Hyderabad market, and then focusing on both residential and commercial. Thanks Jagadeesh garu for giving your time on these situations. And you being the managing director of Adasada Developers Private Limited, how are you seeing the market, and how the things are all we will discuss in this interview. So any quick 1-2 lines for our viewers on this situation?
Yes, Ravi. If you look at even before this COVID issue, there were many issues those impacted the real estate industry. Say recession, political uncertainty in India and global, and many other issues. But real estate is the industry bounced back all the time. Yes, we do understand that this COVID issue is little bigger in size than the previous issues, but that is how the world has to move on, and all the businesses have to move on. So the real estate too will move on. It will bounce back soon on a positive note.
So, I mean, with the current situation, suppose this, what are the home buyers will get straight away advantages of buying now when they look at a long-term perspective?
Yes, Ravi. Regardless this COVID situation, even in the normal situation, I personally always suggested and advised all our buyers that buying a property, I mean, right time to buy a property is right now. That used to be my favorite line all the time.
Yeah, yes, we hear that a lot from you.
Yes. So property is such a thing that it is never disappointed any buyer at any point of time. Yes, for the people disappointed, those are greedy, wanted good returns, high returns in weeks' time and months' time. But otherwise, a genuine investor, a genuine buyer, they were never disappointed in the history of real estate industry. It's always appreciated, sometimes faster, sometimes slower, but it is appreciated and the people are happy. So when the situation was normal, that was my line. Now the situation is definitely, it's a buyer's market. It's a fact that we all have to accept it. So it's my strong recommendation to buyers and investors, get ready. Your days are ahead, and don't hesitate to crack a deal, because you will have a very good bargain with a developer or a seller. So all in all, it is very much right time to invest or buy a home. There is no doubt about it.
How much period you think this will be there, so that best time to buy quickly? So how much period, like how many months will be there post COVID?
Yeah. See, it's always the opportunity it's going to be very short period, because once the market bounces back, again the sellers and developers and builders go back to their seats. Good bargain, capacity. So sooner is better. Probably, after this lockdown, it can be 2 to 3 weeks onwards, we will be noticing small and medium transactions going to take place. But few months for the complete industry to bounce back and get back to the normalcy.
Mr. Jagadeesh, so always brokers have a high regards in the market, and then they always do their best, and then their role will be more in these times. During these situations, brokers and agents' role will be very high. So how do you see brokers and broker association should be helping the whole situation in these kind of things to make the market come back?
Right. Definitely, brokers and realtors, associations have to play a major role. These are the people, brokers, realtors, and associations are the people torchbearers of the industry. Definitely, we all should have a positive frame of mind. It is like boomerang. What you spread, you get back the same. If you spread positive, you get back the positivity. And if you spread negative, you get back the negativity. And a situation like this, we all understand, aware of that. The negative news spreads faster than the positive news. But when it comes to us, we realtors, brokers, or associations, whatever, we have to maintain that positivity. Whatever the negative news, if you hear or see, keep it for yourself. But if there's anything positive, you spread. Let it be WhatsApp, Facebook, or any other digital media. Spread positive so that you get that quicker positivity in the market. So all things get settled sooner and faster. It's my request to each and every broker, realtor, and association not to spread the negative news. Spread only positive news.
So last line at this time for the people, like normally we all say the stay home, stay safe. So we want to hear that important lines from you for all the people. Who are you seeing the warriors in these situations who are helping the whole country, whole community? So it's our due respect to thank them. And then I want quick that statement from you.
I also wanted to thank, starting from Prime Minister, Chief Ministers, and other government officials who are working day and night to fight COVID issue. Policemen, hats off to them. Doctors, no words for their service. Heartfelt thanks to them. And municipal workers, the way they're risking their life, and they're on the roads to maintain that hygiene. Thanks to each and every person who involved in fighting COVID issue. Thanking all of them. Thank you.
Thanks, Mr. Jagadeesh Garu, for your time and all this. And then, so the special thanks to all of them is very important at this stage. And then we from Property Advisor, we also thank all of them for doing such a tremendous job in making us stay safe at these times. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.